This is the 2-liter Volkswagen turbo engine. This is a 2012 Audi S3. Pretty low kilometers. It's got 45,000 kilometers on it. It's got a slight, we're just going to do a little freshen up on it, but it's got a slight oil leak. We'll take the cover off and show you, but it's right over under here. The leak's just under there. You can see it's a bit of wetness, so that's been coming off what is the vacuum pump. So it's supposedly a fairly common thing. I haven't seen any videos on this newer motor, but we'll take it off and replace the seal. So we just went to Volkswagen and Audi up the road, gave them a VIN, and got a new seal for it. So that will be today's job. So we'll start by taking off the engine cover, which of course on this model has the air intake and air filter built into it. So we got the cover off, pretty easy. And we've also removed part of this intake system here just to make it a bit more room. So you can see this piece here is the vacuum pump. There's spec screws on the back to hold it on, but there's 3 Torxes, one there, and one just underneath. And we'll take those off and take it off. So we're getting this vacuum. Oh, we got it. Cool. That's the vacuum line for the brake booster. You yank that off, and then there's a little rubber bit there. We could leave that on there because we're not taking the pump off. We're not taking the replacing the pump. So you got to make sure that that's, if you're changing the pump, that goes with it. Okay. Now we need a T30 on the socket. That might be too long. Let's take a piece out of it. Still too long? Okay. Not particularly tight. Okay.
Off, but I can't get the screw. Oh.
Can't get it.
I don't like it.
There's a wiring loom on that one, isn't there? There you go, that's out. Yes. Cool, okay, 3 bolts out. Give it a wiggle.
Jesus.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Okay.
It's gone.
There it is. It's hanging there.
Ah.
The gasket is just sitting
Oh, yeah.
on the edge. Okay. Right there. So we gotta pull there. Grab some oil. Wipe up the oil. Rip off that old. So that O-ring, we know why it's leaking. It's rock. That's rock hard, and it's quite crusty. So cool. New O-ring on. Give that a little wipe down. So it's not too bad, but it's got some chunks stuff on it, so we'll just get rid of all that. And we'll wipe it down a bit so it's a nice clean surface to mate up with it, and put the new and we'll put the new O-ring on.
It's flatter.
And you can see how the old one has been compressed down like flat, and that's still nice and fat and round. So
Yeah.
cool. Add a bit of oil, slip it on into the groove where it's supposed to be. see how everything else is still nice and oiled up. And we'll align that with the hole in the, let's see how that moves. The vacuum, cool. All right, we'll put it back in. Okay, so we're gonna line up the groove in the cam with that. A couple goes, okay. Looks like it. There we go.
That is quite. That's it.
There, that's it. Bolts back in, hose back on. Cool, got rid of the leaks.
Just like
So except for dropping one of the torque sticks down into the abyss, that's one of the easier oil leaks I think there is to fix. And how much was the gasket?
38 bucks.
38 Australian, easy. So yeah, if you have a Golf R, got a leak there, just an S3 TT, yeah, easy fix. Do it yourself. All right, so we've just gone over it there and cranked down the 3 bolts. That's the vacuum booster for the brakes, which is kind of important. We'll put that back on. And that's job done. That leak should be fixed, so we'll keep an eye on it, make sure it's all wiped down pretty good, make sure so you can see if any more oil comes out. That's a very quick and easy oil leak fix, that one.